Okay, so today I'm going to show you what's inside my Sony MHC VX101 music system. So this is its main amplifier section, and as you can see, it is powered by Sanyo Class AB STK series integrated circuit. The specific model being STK 402070S. And this board I had recapped, that is changed the capacitors in the signal path with Elna Silmic 2. As you can see, these are Elna Silmic 2, these ones. And apart from that, everything is almost stock. The resistors, all the resistors are carbon film resistors. And this has a good heat sink, thick plate. And I'll show you the transformer. This is its transformer, hefty huge transformer. As you can see, it is written made in Malaysia. And now I'll and the filter capacitors are Rubicon USR series. Now I'll show you the preamp section, or the other sections of this mini hi-fi system. So you can see this is speaker protection relay. uh, it is one of the famous brands. I think it is called OEG or DEG, I don't know. I think it's OEG. But I've seen this brand relays in many amplifier systems, Japanese amplifier systems. So again, these EPCOS MKT capacitors were also put by me. That is, I had replaced them. Uh, Originally, there were Nippon Chemicon bipolar SME series in its place, so I replaced it with these EPCOS MKTs. Now, here in the preamp section, you can see there are Panasonic uh, capacitors, Panasonic polyester capacitors, the maroon color ones, and a few Rubicon YK series, uh, which, wait, I'll show you. Okay, so here you can see Rubicon YK series capacitors. And most of the integrated circuits that you can see in this mini hi-fi are that of Toshiba, especially these ones, BA series ones. These are Toshiba integrated circuits. This is radio section. And almost all the voltage regulators used in this are NEC, again a Japanese company. Even here the voltage regulators are NEC. Then I'll show you the main preamp IC of this mini hi-fi, which is this BH3. What I found from datasheet was it was some manufacturer named LSI. So the if there would have been Mitsubishi's preamp instead of this music system would have sounded even better. This was not bad, but Mitsubishi was better. So all the earlier systems, that is GRX series, GS series, G series, GR series or GX series all had Mitsubishi preamps, and that sounded a little better than this. Then This is the main microcontroller IC, and since this was assembled in India, and Sony had officially started assembling in India during during the time frame during which this mini hi-fi system was made. So you can see Indian branded capacitors also in this, that is in cap. This is a Indian brand, and second one is Punsumi, which is also an Indian brand. I will show you where Punsumi is. Okay, this here Punsumi. Yeah, so see Punsumi. So what I found from net was that these in-cap capacitor, though being an Indian company, they had taken technology from Leyland, and I like the sound signature of Leyland capacitors also, since they had taken technology from Elna. So you can see Leyland REA series in my another uh, products, another devices, that is my sound card, where I've used Leyland capacitors, and they also sound good. Okay, apart from that, many Panasonic parts are used in this, such as for example this yellow color trim pot that you can see. This is a carbon composition trim pot, and this is made by Panasonic. These were quite famous. Even my Philips FW335 has a trim pot, similar trim pot, same trim pots made by Panasonic. And this earlier I had also told you about Panasonic polyesters, and a few more Panasonic components such as this motor, cassette deck section motor, as you can see, Matsushita M, that is Panasonic. And now I'll show you the CD section, DAC section of CD. So the DAC section of CD has a Burr Brown DAC, as you can see here, PCM 1727E. Let me show you like this. Okay, PCM 1727E, Burr Brown, and the output op amp being a JRC 2100, and the CD control main master controller is Sony's own IC, CXD series, quite famous, and Sony always uses them. And as you can see, all BA series ICs are made by Toshiba. Okay, apart from that, this is the controller boards which houses buttons and display. Immediately you can see here Mitsubishi IC M65850FP. If they have used your Mitsubishi IC, I think they should have also used Mitsubishi preamp IC also. And this is a NEC microcontroller IC. So I'll end the video here.